second grade mathematicians. I am so excited because today we are going to look at another strategy for solving triple digit addition. Yes, triple digit addition. You've been working so hard this school year. I am so proud of all of you. It's time to take all the strategies that we have been working so hard on and putting it together to show how math is such an interesting growing pattern. It just goes on and on and on. Let's take a look at using a number line today. We are going to add within 1,000. Here is the problem that we are going to solve today. 146 plus 238. I've already drawn my line for my number line. And remember, with number lines, they go on and on and on and on. That's why I have my arrows going both ways. My numbers can go get smaller, 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 or they can get bigger and bigger and bigger. I'm going to start with 146, but please know, scholars, that you can start with 238. Remember, in addition, order does not matter because you are taking two different quantities and you're putting them together to find the sum. So order does not matter in addition. I just chose to start with 146 because that's the beginning of the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put 146 on my number line. So where do I begin? Do I want to go ahead and count 238 and put 238 lines on my number line and just count them all one by one? No. If I did that, I would be here all day, wouldn't I? And I would run out of room, and then I might make some mistakes and skip some lines or draw too many lines. It would be a big old mess. Instead, I'm going to use my knowledge of place value to help me out here. So I'm going to look here at my number. I have a 2 in the hundredth place. So I know the value of that digit is 200. So I'm going to actually add 200 to this number first. If I know what 1 plus 2 is, I can use that to quickly add 100 plus 200. So 1 plus 2 is 3, right? Yeah. So that means 100 plus 200 is 300. My 10s and 1s, they're not changing yet. So I'm going to go ahead and make that jump of 200, and it's going to become 346. Remember, I have not touched my 10s and 1s yet, but I have added the 2 from the 200. Now, let's look at the tens place. We have 3 10s, 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. 3 10s is 30. So we are going to add 30 to this number. I'm focusing on my 10s here. So far, I have 346. I have a 4 in the tens place. I'm going to add 3 more 10s. Okay, if I know 4 plus 3, then I can use that, right? Yeah, 4 10s plus 3 10s. Well, 4 plus 3 is 7. So 4 10s plus 3 10s, that's 7 10s. 7 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70. 7 10s is 70. So when I add that 30, I'm going to now have 7 10s. So instead of 346, it's becoming 376. Remember, I have not touched the 1s yet. That's why the 1s have stayed the same. But now we are going to tackle the 1s. And scholars, I noticed something. I have 6. I want to add 8 more. Now, certainly, I can go ahead and just count on 8 more. But what if I made a 10? Could I do that? Yeah, I can do that, right? So what if I broke 8 up in a way so that I can make a 10? If I have 6 in the 1s place, I would need 4 more to make a 10, right? Okay, yeah. All right, so if I know 6 and 4 make a 10, so I'm going to take a 4 out of that 8. Okay, so that means I'm going to have to break 8 up into, oh, it's a double, 4 and 4. Remember, the reason I did that was so that I can quickly count on from that 6. I know 6 and 4 make a 10. I already have 7 10s, so I just need to add another 10. Okay, so So 376, so 4 more, because it's making another 10. That's going to be 380. Again, what I did here was I took my 8, I broke it up into 4 plus 4. I did that because I had 6 ones, and I know 6 and 4 make a 10. Just makes my counting a lot easier. So all I have left to worry about, my friends, is adding that last 4 in there. So if I add 4 more to 380, I'm going to have my answer. You got it. The answer is 384. Way to go, mathematicians. I want you to go ahead and try this. Let me know how it goes. Good luck.